Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Dee, and on today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you my latest purchases. I have a Louis Vuitton unboxing and 2 Chanel reveals. Actually, one of these items I already revealed on my Instagram account. And yeah, I've been a little bit absent. I know if you saw my latest video, it was my Chanel 19 unboxing. I am super happy that I got this bag. I'm really enjoying it. And yeah, I want to slow down my shopping a little bit because I want to save up a little bit of money and to be prepared because I am looking forward to get a Kelly 25. So yeah, that is going to be my next purchase, hopefully. So yeah, guys, let's start with the Louis Vuitton unboxing. Dust bags, and these are a pair of sneakers. Yeah, I absolutely love these sneakers, you guys. I was looking for a white pair of sneakers for the longest time. Actually, I was into a Louis Vuitton pair of sneakers that are super beautiful, but they didn't have my size, and it was impossible for me to find those sneakers. And yeah, so this is a new design, and I really liked it. I wanted something that was simple, not very, flashy. And these sneakers are perfect for every day. They do have the only LV logo here, and they have really cool details here. They have the Louis Vuitton engravement here, and they also have this Louis Vuitton detail over here. So, as you may already know, I'm a very petite woman, so it's really hard for me to find sometimes shoes. So these are actually 34, because sometimes I need to go smaller, and that's when things get a little bit more complicated. But yeah, so far these sneakers are super beautiful and nice. I really like them, and I think I'm gonna get a lot of wear out of them. So in this little box here, they just sent you a pair of laces. This is the close-up of the shoes. I really like them. What do you guys think? Let me know in the comment section down below. And yeah, I'm very, very happy that I finally found a pair of white sneakers that actually fit me. So yeah, this is the first item that I got, and I share on my Instagram account. It is from Dior. This item was actually on my wish list, and it is a pair of beautiful earrings. These were on my wish list video. I'm gonna link it here so that you can check it out in case you haven't watched it. And yeah, I really like them. I think they're super, super cute. I already opened this, but I also got this gorgeous pair of Chanel earrings that I unboxed on my IG account. So I really like them because it is silver and light gold, and I love this dangling CC here that has little pearls, and the silver CC has like little diamonds. So I really, really like them. I couldn't help myself to get this because I think they are super, super beautiful. But yeah, I know I have to stop buying these kind of things because they are super expensive and they are just fashion jewelry. But how cute they are. I mean, super beautiful, right? And this is another pair of earrings. I really like them. I think they are very beautiful. These are in the light gold, and it's a little pearl with the CC with little diamonds, and Chanel also with little diamonds. What do you guys think? They are irresistible. I mean, I love them. So which one are your favorite pair of earrings, you guys? I love both, but these ones really stole my heart. And of course, the Dior ones that I already showed you. These are so, so, so beautiful, and these are in the yellow gold, which is super cute. So that is pretty much everything that I've got lately. As I told you, I'm planning to, slow down a little bit my shopping because I want to really start saving for my Kelly 25, which is on my wish list, and I think that would be the only bag that I need in my collection right now. I feel really happy with my collection. And yeah, guys, that is something that I'm looking forward. So yeah, what do you guys think? Let me know in the comment section down below, and also let me know what other kind of videos would you like to see. Some of my subscribers were asking belt designer collection. I would be more than happy to do it if you are interested. So yeah, guys, that's going to be everything for today's video. I really hope that you enjoy it, and see you till my next video. Bye guys, stay safe. Ciao.